This is a magnificent victory for the American people that will allow us to make America great again. America has given us an unprecedented and powerful mandate. We have taken back control of the Senate. Wow, that's good. The American people regained control of their country. Asian American, Arab American, Muslim American, we had everybody, and it was beautiful. We're going to fix our borders. We're going to fix everything about our country. But it's a political victory that our country has never seen before, nothing like this. I want to thank the American people for the extraordinary honor of being elected your 47th president and your 45th president. Every single day I will be fighting for you, and with every breath in my body, I will not rest until we have delivered the strong, safe, and prosperous America. We had no wars. 4 years, we had no wars. They said, he will start a war. I'm not going to start a war. I'm going to stop wars. But this is also a massive victory for democracy and for freedom. We're going to make our country better than it ever has been. Many people have told me that God spared my life for a reason. And that reason was to save our country and to restore America to greatness. We're going to keep our promises. Nothing will stop me from keeping my word to you, the people. We will make America safe, strong, prosperous, powerful, and free again. It's time to put the divisions of the past 4 years behind us. It's time to unite